Seeds are carefully selected by the farmer and then spread in a controlled manner, using modern machinery for efficient and precise sowing. In this case, they use the arrow system. As the seeds fall into prepared soil, they sink into the soil and are ready to nestle, germinate, and sprout. This is like witnessing the birth of new rice. In time, these tiny seeds will transform into vibrant green rice plants ready to grow. When these rice seedlings reach a certain size, they are transferred to the warehouse. In this case, the workers put these seedlings on the moving line, and the trucks are loaded. These seedlings are then loaded into the upper chamber of the agro-robo rice. From this chamber, the